we will discuss about the anatomy of foot, specifically bones. This bone is called calcaneus bone, and calcaneus bone is the largest and strongest bone of the foot, which lies below the talus bone. So second foot bone is talus bone, which you can see in this 3D model. This is talus bone. Below is the calcaneus bone here. And calcaneus bone forms the heel of the foot, as you can see here. Calcaneus forms heel of the foot. Next bone is the navicular bone, which you can see here. This is the navicular bone here, and navicular bone is a boot-shaped tarsal bone which lies between the talus bone, as you can see here. Specifically, it lies between the head of the talus bone and the three cuneiform bones. So next bone I want to discuss is these three cuneiform bones. Okay, so we know that this is the navicular bone, and these three bones are the cuneiform bones, which are three wedge-shaped bones that form a part of the transverse arches of the foot. So here is the cuneiform bone. Here is the navicular bone, which you can see. Here is the talus bone, and here is the calcaneus bone. Next bone is the cuboid bone, which you can see here. This is the cuboid bone, which is the most laterally placed tarsal bone. Next, here is located metatarsal bones. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth metatarsal bones. So metatarsus consists of 5 metatarsals. Here is the phalanx. Phalanx is proximal, middle, and distal phalanx. So here is the proximal phalanx. Next is the middle phalanx, and at the end is a distal phalanx. Phalanx consists of 14 bones, 2 in the first digit and 3 in each of the others. There is clinical correlation, which is called talar neck fracture. Causes avascular necrosis of the body of the talus bone. Because most of the blood supply to the talus passes through the talar neck. And here you can see the talar neck on this 3D model. So Tarsus consists of 7 tarsal bones: talus, calcaneus, navicular bone, cuboid bone, and 3 cuneiform bones.